Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the Cube 600 Netflix projector, a full HD 1080p portable projector with built-in Netflix, true 600 ANSI Lumens brightness, and a 360 degrees adjustable gimbal stand. I purchased it from Amazon using the link in the description, and I recommend you do the same for the best price, original product, and any discount coupons available. This projector has a compact, premium design. It's super lightweight and easy to carry, and the 360 degrees gimbal stand makes setup really simple. You don't need a separate tripod. Just rotate and aim it wherever you want. The picture quality is where it really shines. It offers true ISO 600 ANSI lumen brightness, and the image looks sharp and vivid even in a lit room. The 1080p resolution delivers crisp visuals, and I tested on a 150-inch wall. The clarity and sharpness were great even at that size. One of the best features is that Netflix runs natively. No need to plug in a Fire Stick or cast from your phone. You can directly access Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and more right from Projector. And yes, Netflix plays in full HD, unlike most cheap projectors that only run the mobile version. The auto Keystone correction works really well. Tilt the projector, and it adjusts the image instantly to keep it rectangular. The manual focus is easy to control and stays consistent once set. Connectivity is smooth. Dual-band Wi-Fi means no buffering, and the Bluetooth pairs quickly with external speakers. The inbuilt speaker is decent for casual viewing, but for the best experience, I suggest using a soundbar or Bluetooth speaker. I've been using the Cube 600 for a week now, and it honestly exceeded my expectations. Whether I'm watching movies at night or streaming matches outdoors, the performance has been solid. The portability, brightness, and built-in apps make it one of the most convenient projectors I've used. If you're looking for a compact, bright, Netflix-certified projector for home or travel, the Cube 600 is a great choice. I've shared the Amazon link in the description. That's where I bought mine, and you'll get the best deals and original product there. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this.